How to draw stairs inside SolidWorks 2022. So I have this center bar which already has a center line through it, that one, and I have a step here, and the center of this line goes through the center of that bar. They are coincident. So on the assembly page, because this is an assembly file, come here to linear component pattern. The first box is blue, it says direction 1, so I want the stairs to go up. More exactly, I want them to go along my axis up, so I will click on my axis. Then from here it jumped to there, but let's click on this one, components to pattern. Now it's asking us what to repeat. Well, I want to repeat my stair. Just click on that one. It already repeated those stairs, as you can see. From here you can change the space between them more or less. And you can change the number of repeated stairs. More stairs with the same distance between them or less stairs. Okay, but I want the stairs to rotate, so I have to click on rotate instance, and now it's asking me in this blue box, if I hover over it, axis of rotation, so it will rotate that component around what? So I have to select my axis once again, the same line. And it is done, but I don't like the direction. So here on the axis of rotation, simply click on that circular arrow to reverse the direction. Now it's rotating in the other direction. And just accept it. And you can also rotate those stairs. They are being rotated along that axis. That's why the stairs center line, this one, is exactly in the center of the bar.